In this video, we will introduce the prep to become a ServiceNow Certified Application Developer, CAD. What is ServiceNow Certified Application Developer, CAD? Exam information. Recommended experience. Exam topics. Tips for passing the ServiceNow CAD exam. 1. Application developers can specify which ServiceNow page a user sees after submitting a new record using the Record Producer UI. How is the page specified? A. Configure the page in the module that opens the Record Producer. B. Write a script in the Record Producer's script field, Producer, redirect equals. C. Create an application property to store the URL write an after business rule script for the Record Producer's table. Window. Redirect equals. 2. What are application files in a ServiceNow application? A. XML exports of an application's update set. B. CSV files containing data imported into an application. C. ServiceNow artifacts comprising an application. D. An XML export of an application's table records. 3. You have heard about a new application released by ServiceNow. You want to try it out, to see if it might be useful for your company's ServiceNow implementation. What would be the best way to get hands-on experience with the new application? A. Install the application plugin on your personal dev instance. B. Install the application plugin on your company's production instance. C. Search the wiki for the sales demo request form. D. Check the latest release notes at docs.servicenow.com. 4. Which set of steps is used to import spreadsheet data into a ServiceNow table? A. Define data source. Select Transform Map. Run Transform Load Data. B. Create Transform Map. C. Run Transform Select Import Set. Select Transform Map. D. Run Transform Select Data Source. Schedule Transform. 5. What are application files in a ServiceNow application? A. An XML export of an application's table records. B. ServiceNow artifacts comprising an application. C. XML exports of an application's update set. D. CSV files containing data imported into an application. 6. Application developers can specify which ServiceNow page a user sees after submitting a new record using the Record Producer UI. How is the page specified? A. Write an after business rule script for the Record Producer's table. Window. Redirect equals. B. Create an application property to store the URL. C. Write a script in the Record Producer's script field. Producer. Redirect equals. D. Configure the page in the module that opens the Record Producer UI. 7. Which of the following is not a way to install an application on a ServiceNow instance? A. Install an application from the application repository. B. Select the copy button on the application record. C. Download and install an application from the ServiceNow Share website. D. Download and install a third-party application from the ServiceNow store. 8. Application developers configure ServiceNow using industry-standard JavaScript to A. Enable the right-click to edit the context menus on applications in the navigator. B. Extend and add functionality. C. Customize the organization's company logo and banner text. D. Configure the outgoing email display name. 9. What are 3 ServiceNow table creation methods? Choose 3. A. Using legacy workflows. B. Upload and turn a spreadsheet into a custom table. C. Using Flow Designer. D. Use the Now Experience Table Creator. E. Extend a table. F. Create a custom table. 10. Which of the following is true about deleting fields from a table? A. Any field on a table can be deleted. B. User-defined non-inherited fields can be detected. C. Inherited fields can be detected. D. Table records are deleted when a field is detected. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.